Hi, welcome back to our channel.
So today's video we're gonna be doing a face mask for you guys today. It's facial mask, the peel off one. This is it, and it's just mother-and-daughter face mask.
I'm kind of like scared. I don't know because it pulls your face. We have tried this once. I think like I put the video up, but we didn't find the video for some reason. Maybe we didn't. So this is gonna be my second time ever trying this.
But this is a different kind.
Yeah, this is a different kind. Huh?
Yeah, this one's just you just put it on your face. That one was you apply it.
We got it from
Walmart.
And we're gonna try it and see how it works. I have some acne or whatever they call them on my face. I am breaking up a lot for some reason. I don't know why. Maybe my hormones are just all over the place. So yeah, I'm gonna try this and see how it's gonna work. If you guys can see, you can see the black spot on my face. It's just too much. Yeah, so we're gonna try. I'm gonna try this, and from here do my makeup and see. We're gonna show you guys the before and after. So this is how my face look like right now. Not that bad, but yeah.
Be careful before you actually rip the thing.
Oh, it's something that you can put on your face.
Yeah, it's jelly.
Is it? Yeah, it is. I didn't even know that.
It's a jelly, y'all.
Ew! I don't like stuff on my face. I don't know how I'm gonna survive with this.
I can't get mine out.
Ew, 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 ew.
Oh, it feels so nasty too.
I know. And cold. Whew. It's already snowing here. And the place is really, really cold. Which way?
Be careful. Hold on. So this is a different kind.
Yeah.
It's kind of weird. Oh, Lord have mercy. That's how you do it. You place it on your face just like that.
Is it this way or this
just
way?
place it.
From the inside?
Yeah.
Oh, guys, wish me luck. I don't like cold stuff on my face.
This is how it looks like.
Go, go.
My eyebrows. So cold. My poor eyebrows. I hope it's there after I'm done.
We look like we're just ready to go and rob the store.
We sure do.
We're getting ready to go. Ew. Oh my god.
It feels so nasty.
I don't like this one. I'm gonna try it for the first time, but I'm not gonna try it again.
Y'all, my eyebrows. I hope it's there after I'm done. I think you have to. Okay, so you're gonna make it sit for 20 minutes. So we're gonna set the timer for 20 minutes, then we can take it off. In the meantime.
Gosh, this is so crazy. How did they even mention people's face for this? Because my face is so small.
Mine too. Look, why can't all of it?
It's not really.
Oh my god, I feel so nasty.
Okay, it's time to go rob the bank.
Let's go.
Just kidding, guys. But this is so funny.
We're gonna set the timer for 20 minutes, you guys.
Guys, I want to see my daughter's reaction. My baby, the little girl, she have not seen me with this yet. So I want to go and see her reaction. Where's my...
Starts it now.
Hey, look! What just happened, Melanie? What did you just see?
What happened to your face?
Yeah, we don't know. Who put this on our face?
I don't know, but what happened to your face?
Is mommy scary?
Huh?
Am I scary?
Huh?
Do you still love me? Yeah.
I can kiss your face is dark and you painted black.
So you can't kiss me because of that? Oh, my baby says she won't kiss me with this. You're right.
What happened to your face though?
I don't know. Someone just came and put this stuff on my face and I was screaming and you didn't come and check on me. You just let it be like that. How come? But yeah, guys, we have to wait for 20 minutes. We didn't go to school today. So they're here eating all my food. Oh my God, guys. This is so interesting. I look like a... I look so ugly with this. Can you hold the camera for me? I need to open this.
So this dude right here is wearing his pants backward. That looks a lot like Christmas.
Why are you putting it? Do you think they want to see your teeth? Oh wow, they have cleaned this place for almost 10 times today. It looks like the neighbors here, they are really good.
It was snowing again.
Really? Oh wow, maybe we're gonna deal with the snow all day, all night. Hey, I need to go to work now. After putting this thing, that's when I really know that I look like a man. My face look really like my dad. It's now that I know that I look like my dad for sure.
Alright guys, it's time to take it off.
Yep, time to take it off.
20 minutes is over. I look so ugly. But let's take it off.
This one is not really like dry. I like the dry one. It's more exciting. When you're taking it off. Ah. So really, what is this for? I think it helps. I don't know.
My face feels wet. Well, it's supposed to formulate it to help reduce the appearance of blemishes and pores. It's supposed to help your pores?
I think I like the other one.
Yeah, we should try the other one.
Yeah, I think we should try the other one. This one is kind of like...
It's wet. Why is it wet?
Yeah, it's wet and it's not fun, but it was good for us to try it.
Now
At least we tried. And if any of you guys have any idea of like face masks, like different kind, please let us know. Comments.
Please like, comment, subscribe, and share.
Yeah.
And bye. My face feels so weird.
It feels so weird, huh? Me too.
My face feels smooth though. Do you feel it? It was rough before.
Yeah, that's what I said. I said it makes a difference, but I wanted the one that when I'm taking it off, like it's really fun when I'm screaming, ah, something like that. I like it. But
The
this
clay, the mask.
I like that one. This one is fun for sure, and I think it makes a difference.
My eyebrows are still there, thank God. But
Yeah, because the thing didn't get dry anyways.
so you're supposed to leave it for 20 minutes, but I'll wash my face.
So now it's time to shower and get ready for the day. It's time to shower and get ready for the day. Oh guys, this is so funny. If you like this video, share, comment, subscribe.
Like, don't forget to hit the notification bell. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we post. So if you want to be the first person to watch our video, well, simple. Hit the notification bell.
And keep hanging out with us, guys. It's gonna be really funny.
Yeah, don't forget to also check the
More
description
fun is
box
coming.
below from the social medias to see what we do when we're not recording
Yeah.
YouTube videos.
And we're gonna be starting our videos like the videos are gonna be going up Wednesday and Sundays. That's so we're gonna start.
Yup.
No music, we don't know what to do.
But we can hear music down there.
Oh really? Yeah, let's